Okay, when we did the walk around, one of the things that obviously was wrong was this throttle tube here, completely bashed off on the end, oversliding the end of the bars, just basically in the wrong place. So I went, while I'm waiting on parts, I went rooting through various things, and I came across an old throttle tube, which is single mount, so hopefully that should fit and go on here. So here on the end you can see this is where it's obviously dropped to the past, broke the throttle tube, that's the end of the bar there. You see it's way past where it should be. As you come further down there's a bit of a roll here we have to sort out, which means this is bun up against. So it's all nice, so this needs to slide down to about there to free up room to put the throttle tube on. So I'll try and get all of that done now. Waiting a bit now on the EGR valve, so let's get this job done. First of all, let's shift this brake perch. Okay, that went rather smoothly. Now in classic pick up a project bike way, the two bolts to secure this are obviously different. I'm just going to show you what I mean. As you can see, there's one here, hex, and as we come around this side just here, see it's a rather badly threaded nut. There we go, let's see if that focuses better. So a badly threaded screw, and where's it gone? Hex on that side. Unfortunately, I've not got anything to suitably replace that with, so they're just going to come out as they are. I'm slightly worried about taking the screw head out, so let's try that one first. Believe it or not, that's actually coming out relatively even. Logically, there's my neighbour making a trailer hitch. Sorry, boat launch. You can see there where they've tried the tape trick to stop it rotating, so I'll have to do a bit better than that. The main thing to get right in swapping these is mounting this pin correctly. It comes up from underneath here. It's the accelerator cable right up through, and it's got a little knobbin on the end. You want to slide that knobbin on, feed it through the groove, and then mount that in place. Then we can get this clamped over the top, and the throttle tube will just nicely rotate. So we want to sit that roughly where we want it. And then I'll have to sort out the taping issue. So that's where we're up to.
Yeah. Okay. Try. We don't too quick. Congratulations!
We have this now mounted up. This no longer wobbles. Throttle goes through nicely, pulls, and we do shift this back across here, and we're done. That's that. Now one more task complete. Should be much happier to pass through the MOT now. It's a little stiff, you could do with a lube, which I should probably do just before MOT time. But that, I'm very happy with.